Good evening, children. Welcome back to Naidu Maths YouTube channel. So we are in yes. Hearty welcome to Naidu Maths YouTube channel, and we are in tangents and secants to a circle part 6. So yesterday we have discussed regarding the what is the segment of a circle and what is the area of the sector, and by making use of the area of the sector, how to find the area of the segment, that we will discuss. And let us recollect back once again what is called sector area. So let us observe that here is the sector. What is actually a sector? A sector is a part of a circle. Sector is a part of a circle surrounded between the two radii and the arc at the end points. This is O is the center of the circle, and OA and OB are the two radii of the circle. And this is the region which it is bounded between the two radii and the arc at the end point. This is called the sector. And sector will make certain angle at the center. So part of a circle surrounded between two radii and arc at the end points of radii. This region, whatever it is surrounded between these two, this it is called the sector. It is a part of a సర్కిల్. అంటే ఇది సర్కిల్లో కొంత భాగము రెండు వ్యాసార్థాలు, ఆ వ్యాసార్థాలు చివరలో కలిపినటువంటి చాపంకి మధ్యలో ఉండే ఈ ప్రాంతాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే సెక్టర్. నౌ వీ హావ్ డిస్కస్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సెక్టర్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టర్ విల్ బి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టోటల్ సెక్టర్, total circle, that is out of 360 degrees, x degrees part it is occupying into pi r square. The same can be explained as x by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the sector. Is it clear, children? So yesterday we have discussed about all this. This is the area of the sector. Yes. So this is the same area of the sector which we can able to write based on the length of the arc also. This is the length of the arc and this is radii, and this is also the radii. So the so length of arc, which is L is equal to x by 360 into 2 pi r. This is total length of the arc is 2 pi r. Out of that, x degrees is occupied by the sector, therefore it is x by 360 into 2 pi r. Now the area can be written as x by 360 into pi r square, the same which we can write it as x by 360 into 2 pi r into r by 2. So now x by 360 into 2 pi r is L. Why? Because this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, pi r into r, which will be equals to pi r square. So L r by 2, which it is. So the area of the sector can be explained by, this is A is equals to L r by 2, or if you know the angle made by the sector at the center, which will be equal to x by 360 into pi r square. Okay, children? So this is the area of the sector formula. Now let us apply this idea to the finding the area of the segment of a circle. So yesterday we have discussed what is the segment of a circle. Let us observe that. Let us observe this is. So this is the region bounded between the secant and the arc at the end points. And if you draw a secant to a circle, then this secant divide the whole circle into two different regions. Each region is called the segment of a circle. So this is bounded by major arc, therefore which we can call major segment. And this is bounded between minor arc and the secant. This is called minor segment. Now how to find the area of this segment, that is. So by making use the idea of the sector, it is possible to find the area of the segment. So to find this, what I am going to do is, let us draw the radii from the center to the end points here. So this is the center of the circle here, this is O, and these two are the radii. Observe that radii, and from O to A the radii is there, here O to B also. Now if we can observe, children, OA, here I am going to write some point P, this is something P. Now OAPB is completely a sector. Observe here, OAPB is a sector. Now out of this sector, this is non-shaded part, it is a triangle. Now from the total sector area, if you remove this triangle area, from the total sector area, if you remove the triangle area, then you will get this part, that is called the segment. And particularly here in the diagram, it is the minor segment. Now I am going to calculate first minor segment area. Minor segment area is equals to OAPB sector area. Sector OAPB area minus, from this I am going to subtract the area of the triangle, that is area of triangle OAB. So if we can able to calculate the sector area, suppose let us assume that this is making an angle x at the center. So x by 360 into pi r square is the area of the sector, and we will calculate from this. I am going to subtract this area of the triangle. Area of the triangle we can able to find in different methods. That means that if you know base and height, one method. If you know all the three sides, one method. If it is a right angle triangle, one method. That's why I am not specifying the formula, but area of triangle OAB. So first we will calculate the total sector area, and from that we will calculate this triangle area based on the angle and the radii. Which formula which we can able to apply, that we will discuss later on. And upon subtracting this triangle area, you will get this shaded part. What it is nothing but minor segment area. Okay, so how do you calculate the minor segment area? Means area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle. Now if you want to calculate the major segment area, for example, major segment area, that means here in the diagram, here the brick like structure shaded portion is the minor segment. So which it is the other side of this, which it is empty, that means like white color. So that is inside the circle and not shaded part, that is called the major segment, Adhika Vrittakanda. So if you want to know about this, the main idea we will use, we will calculate the area of the circle, minus, from this area if you can able to subtract only this segment, that is area of minor segment. So from the total area of the circle, if you can able to subtract the minor segment area, then you will get the major segment area. Again, area of the circle means pi r square, minus minor segment area means this is whatever this is area of minor, that means total sector area minus again area of minor segment. This is, so we can able to find the major segment. So what is actually major segment and what is actually minor segment, that we have already discussed yesterday in the yesterday's class. Now how to find the area, దాని వైశాల్యం కనుక్కోవాలంటే సెంటర్ నుంచి ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ కి రేడియై జాయిన్ చేయడం వల్ల, now OAPB is a sector. From this sector, if you can able to subtract this triangle, now you will get only this shaded part, that is brick like structure. That is only called the minor segment area. So area of minor segment area will be equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. This triangle area based on the angle and the radii, we will calculate based on that. And if you want the major segment area, ante adhika vrittakanda వైశాల్యం కావాలనుకోండి, total area of the circle minus this minor segment, upon subtracting that you will get the answer. Okay, so now we will discuss the problems regarding that. So we will move to the example questions. Actually the first example question is some extent calculation wise tough question. So since these example questions are also important, that's why this time I am going to explain these questions also. Please try to concentrate this, and that too this question is regarding calculation wise some extent different. So here you can observe, children, find the area of the segment AYB showing in the adjacent figure. So if the radius of the circle is 21, angle AOB, center angle is 120, use. So here I am going to shade AOB segment. Let us observe that here horizontal lines I am drawing here. So this horizontal line region is called the segment AYB, that is the minor segment, children. Now wherever I have shown this diagram, that means horizontal lines, that region we want. Now again, so as we discussed previously, OAYB is a sector and OAB is a triangle. So from the total sector area, if you subtract the triangle area, then you will get the this segment area. Okay, but here you will get in calculations in decimals, so you have to do perfectly. So first, what is given in the question, that I am mentioning. What is given? O is the center of the circle. O, center of the circle, and to this circle what is the radius which it is given? Yes, which it is given as 21 centimeters, and that too AB is the chord. This is the chord which it is equals to AB, and this chord is making an angle 120 degrees at the center, that is angle AOB, that is equal to angle made by the chord at the center is equals to 120 degrees. Okay children, so this is the information. As we discussed in the previous slide itself, to calculate the minor segment area, first we have to calculate the sector area. Okay children, now first I am going to calculate sector area first. So area of sector OAYB is equal to, the formula for sector area is x by 360 into pi r square. So the angle made by the sector is 120 by 360 into pi, it is given as 22 by 7. So let us replace it. Into r, it is very clearly given that 21 into 21. As we discussed this model also yesterday. So 121s, 123s and 7 3s are. Now what are the values that are left? Okay, now this 3 and 3 also will get cancelled. This 3 and 3. Now 22 into 21. So this is 22 into 21. Let us write down. This is 22 into 21. Now let us multiply it. What is 22 into 21? 22 ones are 22. 2 carry, 22 twos are 44. 22 ones are 22. 2 carry, 22 to 44 plus 2, 46. So 462 square centimeters, since it is given in centimeters. Now the first part is completed. Observe children. So that is area of OAYB sector. This is. Now try to calculate triangle area. This is very very important. Yes children, 462. Saiteja, Hadita, Dhanalakshmi, Jnanita. Yes, very good amount. Jnanavi, Harita. Yes, well done. Very good. So very good. So now the triangle area calculation is some extent difficult. Please try to listen carefully children, all of you. Why? Because here this is 120 degrees is given. If it is a right angle triangle area, we can easily calculate. But this is. So we want to calculate area of triangle OAB. This is to be calculated. Observe children, I am going to drop a perpendicular from O on AB here. So height, here if you can observe the black line. Because of drawing this one, now the total angle that is divided into, let us assume that this point as, for my convenience I am going to, this is as D. Okay, now let us write down angle AOD is equals to angle BOD is equals to 120. Total it is divided into two equal parts. Why? Because this is radius and these two are congruent triangles, which is equals to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 degrees. Now this part is 60 and this is the perpendicular. Now this angle will be 30. So that is angle OAD will be is equals to 30. That is very very important children. Okay, now with respect to 30, I want the base total AB and opposite side height also. First, to calculate height, I am going to use the trigonometric idea. With respect to 30, opposite should be calculated and hypotenuse we know. So sin 30 I am going to use. Sine 30 opposite OD by hypotenuse OA. What is sine 30 value? Which we know that 1 by 2 is equal to OD is OD only by OA is 21. Now OD value will be is equal to 21 by 2. Let us write down 21 by 2. This is nothing but the height. But we want base also. So AD also we want. Now the same triangle in OAD, I am going to use this time cos 30. Observe children. So next slide I am going to do that. So cos 30 will be is equals to, cos 30 means which it is with respect to 30 degrees cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AD, hypotenuse is AO. So AD by AO. AD by AO. Cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, which is equals to AD we don't know. AO is equals to 21. Now which will be equals to AD will be is equals to 21 by 2 root 3. Once again children, so this is cos AD by OA, adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos 30 will be is equals to, which is equals to 21. This is already we know that 21 upon cross multiply 21 by 2 root 3 centimeter. But this is AD. But we want the total length. Sorry. So this is the total length AB we want. If we want total AB, since it bisects the total side, AB is equal to 2 times of AD. So AB is equals to 2 times of AD, which is nothing but 2 into 21 by 2 into root 3. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So answer is 21 root 3 centimeters. This is AB. Now the base of the triangle B is equals to 21 root 3 and the altitude or the height, as we calculated previously here, if you can observe, this OD itself is the height, which it is equal to 21 by 2 centimeters. This is. Now area of the triangle I am calculating. Area of triangle will be is equals to half into base into height. This is, what is base here? 21 root 3 into what is height it is given? 21 by 2. Now let us simplify that. The remaining values also to be simplified. So this is 21 ja 441, which will be, sorry, area is equals to, let us mention here. So this implies that area is equals to, so area of triangle OAB will be is equals to, that is 21 ja 41 by 4 root 3 square centimeters. Okay, yes. Now let us this you can leave like this. At last we will simplify. Once we know the already sector area, and now let us observe that. Now I want the segment area. Therefore OAYB sector area minus OAB triangle area. So area of minor segment is equal to area of OAYB sector minus area of triangle OAB. Already we know that what is the area of the sector, which we have already calculated. This is 462. So 462 minus area of triangle, this is equals to 441 by 4 root 3. This is, so this should be finally to be simplified. That is, so this is to be simplified 462 minus, so actually let us calculate this one. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 and 0 I kept. This is 4 1 10s 440 point, which will be equal to 25. This is into root 3 value is 1.732. This is root 3 value. Now this is, we are going to find finally the value which it is. Yes, someone has calculated, which will be is equal to 271.047. Yes, the answer is, well done, Amma, very good. So this is to be calculated. This is, so this is let us calculate is finally 462 minus, which will be I think anybody has calculated this and directly someone has written the answer, but that is correct answer only. But the thing is, so you can calculate, and that value will be equals to, upon multiplying 110.25 equal to 1. So let us multiply it, 110.25 into 1.732. So 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and with 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 zeros are 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and next 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17, carry 1, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, and finally 5 2 0 1 1. This is, so answer is 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 13, carry 1. This is 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 13, again 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Now 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9 and 1. Now here 2 digits, here 3. So 190.993. So 190.933. Sorry. Now let us subtract this one, and you will get the value as. So this is to be calculated, and which one, upon subtracting that, which will be equal to 271.047. Let us subtract it, centimeter square. This is, so 4672. Let us subtract it. That is not a difficult task. This is, and here I am arranging whatever I calculated. That is, let us. So upon arranging, this is. So finally, the area of the minor segment will be is equals to. So area of minor segment is equals to 271.047 square centimeter. This is 190.933. Upon subtracting, this will be is equals to 271.047. That is, okay, yes, 047. Yes, yes. Jahnavi, Jnanita, yes, Harita, yes. Okay, good, Amma, good, all of you. So this is calculation wise, since the values are, we are getting in decimal, that is only the difficulty. So once again I will quickly explain that. Children, observe that this shaded portion should be calculated. So first I am going to calculate the sector area, x by 360 into pi r square, angle is 120 and radius is 21. So sector area easily we got 462, but triangle area calculation only here some extent difficult. So that 120 degrees angle it is given, so perpendicular is drawn, so that it is 60, this is 90, this angle will be 30. So with respect to 30, first sin 30 I have taken, altitude OD we got, and cos 30 by taking that we got the value of base 21 by 2 root 3, but 2 ADs is equal to complete base 21 root 3. Now base we know, altitude, area of the triangle is 441 by 4 root 3. Now upon multiplying these two, something which will be is equals to 110.25 into 1.73 to 190.93. So upon subtracting, final value will be equal to 271.047 is the area of the minor segment. Okay children, I hope it is clear for you everyone. So let us move to the next question. And here the example questions are some extent calculation wise difficult, so that once again if you can able to listen clearly, then I think it is not that much difficult for you. Okay, yes, let us move to the next question children. Find the area of the segment shaded in the figure. Here very clearly, here black shaded part, this is to be calculated. PQ is given as 24 and PR is equal to 7, and QR is the diameter here. So here QR is given as diameter. Observe children. So QR is the diameter of circle with center O. Children, here why it is given diameter means here one point would. That means that this is the semicircle. Can anyone will give what is the angle in the semicircle? What is the angle in the semicircle means what is the angle at P? Can anyone will give the answer in the chat box? What is the angle formed at the P? So this is I already explained in the previous classes. That is, can anyone will reply that what is the angle formed at P? So even in yesterday's problem also that idea we have used. Yes, children. Dhanalakshmi, yes, it is not correct answer. Chitra, okay, sorry. Reshma, yes, Sivalingeshwar Rao, good. Saiteza, yes, well done. Yes. Amresh Koti, good. Jnanita, yes, definitely. So the angle in the semicircle we can call, or angle formed in the half of the circle which it is called 90, which it is 90 degrees. So since OD is diameter, angle QPR is equals to 90 degrees. The region is angle in a semicircle. Here one point we have to, angle in a semicircle is 90, whereas angle made by semicircle at the center is 180. Based on the question we have to think of. Some children that they have given 180, but it is 180 is the angle made by semicircle at the center, but angle in the semicircle means inside of that is in the segment we have to calculate, that is 90. Now this is a right angle triangle. Now children, again you can calculate QR, hypotenuse, by making use of the Pythagoras theorem. Let us give the answer for QR first. Yes, Harita, absolutely correct, that is Pythagoras theorem should be applied. So now triangle QPR, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So according to Pythagoras theorem, yes, very good Harita, very good, yes. Dhanalakshmi, yes, absolutely correct, Amma. Saiteza 25 by 2. Why? Oh, radius you have given. Okay. Good. Yes. So according to this theorem, QR is equal to square root of QP square plus PR square. It is very clearly given in the diagram. QP or PQ is 24 square plus PR is 7 square. 24 square, 24 is 576 plus 7 into 7, which it is equal to 49, which it is equals to, so 576 plus 49 is 625. Now what is the square root of 625? We know that, which it is equal to QR is equals to 25 centimeters. Now what is the radius of the circle? Then radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is 25 by 2 centimeters. It is 12.5. Yes, Sivalingeshwar Rao, Jnanita, Jahnavi, yes, very good. Yes, now we know the radius. Now what you have to do is, now let us try to calculate the semicircular region. This is semicircle, that means half of the circle, and from that let us subtract this triangle area. Okay, yes. And here I think the shading part, this is also, it is not visible actually correctly, but this is also, it is shaded in the diagram. It is not exact. This part is also, you can observe in the diagram, this part is also shaded in the example, but in, okay, now this total. So observe children here, here now area of semicircle I am calculating. Area of semicircle, that is nothing but pi r square by 2. Pi is 22 by 7 is r 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. 22 by 7 approximately, which it is equals to, yes, we know that it is 3.14. That is, so 22 by 7 approximate value, this is not exact value. 25 by 2, which it is 12.5. This is 12.5 into 12.5. This is, so now let us calculate children. This is the area. So which will be is equals to pi r square by 2. Okay, sorry, one more value we have. So by 2 also this is. Okay, yes. So by 2 this is pi 22 by 7, 25 by 2 into 25, 12.5 into 1 by 2 this is. So now this is upon multiplying that 2 will get cancelled. So this is 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja. So 1.57 into 12.5 into 12.5. Now let us multiply it. Can anyone will give the answer, children? What is the value? Multiplication only, that is. So 1.57 into 12.5. So Harita, she has given 245.53. Yes, Ulingeshwara. Well done, Amma. Thank you. So the answer for this is 245.53 centimeter square. This is the area of the semicircle. Okay, now this part. So you can able to multiply this 1.57 into 12.5 into 12.5, that is. Okay, yes, thank you, ma. Now we have to calculate triangle area. Since it is a right angle triangle, we know that half into base into height. Instead of that, half AB. That means the two perpendicular sides are A and B. Then the area of the triangle we can calculate. So in the right angle triangle, A one side is equals to 7 centimeters and B the perpendicular side is equals to 24 centimeters. So area of triangle, the name of this triangle is PQR. Area of triangle PQR is equal to, since it is a right angle triangle, half AB will be the formula directly. Half into A, 7 into 24. So 2 12s. So 7 into 12. 7 2s are 14. 1 7 1 is 7 plus 1. So 8. So 84 square centimeters. Yes, Harita. Thank you. So this is the area of triangle PQR is 84. Now I think the problem is completed. Venkat Harsha, good Amma, good. So the value to be calculated is finally shading part. You can observe shading part means this shaded, this part. So from the semicircular region, if you can subtract the triangle area, you will get that one. I hope you can all able to do that. Let us try it. So now the shaded area is equals to semicircle area minus area of triangle PQR. That's all. Semicircle, that is also there. So as we already discussed, the value which will be equals to 245.53. 245.53 minus 84. Yes. Now upon subtracting 0.53 will be, this is why, because this is 15 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. 14 minus 8 will be equals to 6 and 1. 161.53 square centimeter. Therefore the shaded area is equals to, will be is equals to 161.53 square centimeter. Hadita, yes, very good, very good. Shaded segment or shaded area, whatever it may be. Okay, yes, well done, well done. So shaded area will be equal to, once again children, this is when compared with the previous question, it is some extent easy model only. First, angle in a semicircle is 90. Therefore first we identified that angle P is 90. Once if you know angle P 90, then we can able to find QR opposite to 90. Hypotenuse we calculated 25. Now this is completely semicircling perfectly or not? Okay, thank you. Okay, now another important question. This is let us observe children here. This is a round table top has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. So this is the design, 6 equal designs as shown. If the radius of the table top is 14, so from center to this point, find the cost of making the designs with paint at the rate of 5. That means what is the area if you know that, and for each square centimeter 5 rupees. So total cost we can able to find. So this area to be calculated. So actually if you can observe, if you draw likewise lines, it is divided into 6 triangles actually. I am going to show you by drawing one. Let us observe children. So here I have drawn. Let us name it as this is. This is O and this is A and this is B. Okay, OAB. If you can observe here, since it is a regular hexagon, that means all sides will be equal and angle made by this side at the center will be 360 by 6, which will be 60. As we know that these two radius are equal, so this is 60 and this is also 60. That means that whatever the triangle you will get here, that is very important idea. So triangle here, O, center of the circle, and radius OA will be is equals to, 14 centimeters. Now triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Now if you can observe, let us observe, this is one point. Now I am going to find first one part. So like this equal parts are there, another 5 more. So first, if you want to know about one part area, means OAPB sector area minus this equilateral triangle area. Okay children. So now first I am going to calculate OAPB sector area. Now to calculate this, first angle at the center, angle at center bisector, this is x degrees will be is equal to 60. As we discussed that this is an equilateral triangle, and the radius as it is also given, r will be is equals to 14 centimeters. Okay children. Now once if you know the radius and the sector angle, now so what is the area of sector? Area of sector OAPB is equal to, the formula is x by 360 into pi r square. X is 60 by 360 into pi value, which will be is equals to, pi value is how much children? So 22 by 7 into r square, r is equals to 14 into 14. Now let us try to cancel here. So this is 61 ja, 66 ja, and 2 3s and 2 11s. So next no value will be get cancelled. Now 7 2s. Okay. Now let us multiply this, the remaining values. Okay. So which will be is equals to 11 2s are 22 into 14 by 3. This is 22 into 14 by 3. Yes children. So this is the area of the sector. So like this one sector we have. Now from this I am going to subtract the equilateral triangle area. So let us multiply this. 14 2s are 28, 2 carry. So 14 2s are 28 plus 2, which is equal to 30. So 308 by 3 square centimeters. Let us leave it like that. Later on we will simplify. Okay children. So this is the sector area. Now what is equilateral triangle area? Let us calculate. So this is, or else if you want to write, let us write down in decimals. You can complete into decimals also, that is, but later on we will finish it. Yes, this is the area of the sector. Now area of equilateral triangle OAB. This is area of triangle OAB. Children, did anybody knows? Okay, good. Harita, area of regular hexagon directly you have calculated. So that is, so that idea we can able to use, or else one triangle area and this is into 6 I am multiplying. Anything will be same. Very good. So area of triangle AB, area AB is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. This is. So in the next page. So A is nothing but the side. Side here nothing but the radius. So which will be is equal to root 3 by 4. Sorry. So area of triangle OAB, that is equals to root 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. This is, as we know that 2 2s are 2 7s and 2 7s. So now this is root 3 into 49. The value will be equal to root 3 into 49. Let us multiply that. Root 3 value is 1.732 into 49. So let us try to multiply roughly. This is 1.732 into 49. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28, 2. 9 7s are 63 plus 2, 65, 6 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 6, 15. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29, 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, which will be equal to 6. Now 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 5, which will be is equals to 14, carry 1, which it is. So before 3 decimals, so 84 point, which will be is equal to 768. Okay, so which will be is equal to 84.768 square centimeters. Now this is, now area of one part is equals to area of out of the shaded part. Now this is 6 times I am going to calculate. Now area of shaded part will be equal to 6 into what is that, area of sector minus area of triangle OAB, that is 6. Like that there are 6, 1 you will get. Why? Because observe that this is OAB, total OAPB sector minus triangle, this is one part you will get. Like that there are 6 parts, and this is, now let us multiply that, 308 by 3. So 6 into 308 by 3 minus this is 84.768. Now let us this is also, let us divide into decimals, children. So this is actually by 3 means up to 2 decimal places you will get. So this will be equals to how much, that you can, why? Because it is not terminating. 3 10 ja 30, 3 2 ja 6, which will be 3 2 ja 6 plus point upon keeping point. So now it will be 2 3 6 1.6. So 102.66 minus 84.768, this is 666. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. Now 15 minus 6 will be is equals to 9, and here 15 minus 7 will be equals to, this is 8, and here 1 it is already borrowed. So here 11 minus 4, which will be equal to 7, and now it is 9 minus, so 17 point, which will be equals to, so this is equals to, finally I am going to multiply. So 6 into 17.898. Now you can multiply. 8 6 are 48, 4 carry. So 9 6 are 54 plus 4, which is equal to 58, again 5 carry, and 8 6 are 48 plus 5, 48 plus 5 means 53, 3, again 5 carry. 7 6 are 42 plus 5, which it is equals to 47, which will be 4. 6 1 is 6 plus 4, 10. So which it is equals to, yes, 107.388, which it is. Did anybody calculated that, this value? So which it is equals to 107 point, the area will be 107 or 106 point. So this is 102 16, this is 66 minus 84.768, this is 1.732 into 49, which will be, so 16 minus 8 is 8, 15 minus 6 is 9, 15 minus 7 will be is equals to 8. This is 11 minus 4 7, 9 minus 8, so 17.89. 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, that is 6 9s are 54, 58, 5 carry. 8 6 are 48 plus 5, 53, 5 carry. 6 7 are 42 plus 47, 4. Okay, 6 1 are 6 plus 4, 10, 107. Okay. Why taking into decimals? Suppose if you take to 1 decimal value, then the value will change, no problem at all. So no need of taking the same only. So, and this is given. So this is also, why? Because this decimal value we have taken up to 2 decimal places. Because of that also value will change. So approximate value, why? Because this is neither terminating nor recurring, so it will be 106. If you keep stop the division for one decimal point, then the value will change. So I am going to leave this one, but per 1 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter cost will be is equals to 5 rupees. Now total cost will be is equals to 107.388 into 5, which will be approximately, so the answer will change. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44, 4 again 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19, carry 1, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36, since 0 5 1s are, so 536 rupees 940, that means approximately 537, that is. So small change will be definitely, since it is in decimals, if it is per not. So if you can take up to one more decimal place, since it is neither terminating, then because of that the value will change. So whether it is 106.79 or it will be 107.3, merely the same, no problem at all. So this is the value, since it is this is, so it is asked to find the, for painting per square centimeter, what is the cost. Here root 7 value actually 1.73 it is asked. I think we have not taken that one, because of that okay, that's correct only, that is. So this is the value, so the answer will be equal to 536 rupees 940. So it will be approximate, why? Because based on the value which we have taken up to how many decimal places, that variation will come, so don't bother about that. So I hope it is clear, children. So this is also an important question, and if you want to calculate directly 6 into area of the sector, that means 6 equilateral triangle area and total circle area. From the total circle area, if you subtract 6 equilateral triangle area, then also you will get the same idea. But I have used the idea of segment area, and based on that, so that's why there is a small change in this. Okay children, I hope it is clear. Okay, yes, okay, thank you. So this is now actually the question. So I will complete one question here. So minimum minor segment area I will complete. A chord of a circle 10 cm subtends right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding. This is calculation wise simple. Let us observe, this is center of the circle and this is the circle, and this is the chord which it subtends at right angle at the center. Observe that this is O, this is A, and this is B. So this is right angle, it is very clearly given, and the radius is given as 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Now find the area of the corresponding minor segment. That means this is the minor segment, whatever it is shaded. So this is to be calculated. So here I am going to explain this minor segment area. Children, observe carefully. Here this is, so radius will be equals to, R is equals to 10 centimeters. Now chord which it is making an angle AOB, which it is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, now let us assume another point, some x here. Now area of sector OAXB I am going to calculate first. To calculate this angle at the center, x is equals to 90 degrees and R will be is equals to 10 centimeter. Now area of sector OAXB will be is equal to, the formula is x by 360 into pi r square. X is 90 by 360 into pi value, let us make it as 3.14 into r square. R is how much? 10 into 10. So let us try to simplify this. So which will be is equals to 94s. So which it is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 10s are 100. So upon multiplying with 100, the decimal will shift to right, two places right side. That means 314 by 4, which will be is equal to, now you can cancel it. 4 7s are 28. 28 means 3 is left, 34. 4 8s are 32. 2 is left. So point I am keeping 20. 4 5s. So 78.5 square centimeters. This will be the, which one? Area of the sector. But with this the problem is not completed. So we have to calculate the triangle area also. What is the triangle area? Triangle OAB area. Area of triangle OAB is equal to, since it is a right angle triangle, half AB will be the formula. Half into A is 10 and B is also 10. So 10 tens are 100 by 2, which will be is equal to 50 square centimeters. Area of triangle OAB will be equal to 50. Now we have to calculate actually this minor segment area. So from the total sector area, if we can able to remove this triangle area, you will get. Now, so minor segment area is equal to, minor segment area is equals to sector area minus OAB triangle area, triangle OAB area. So what is sector area, which we have already calculated? This is 78.5. So 78.5 minus triangle area, which will be equal to 50. So which will be, if you subtract 50 from 78.5, which will be is equals to 28.5 square centimeter. This is the minor segment area. This is, so in this way we can, but here in this question it is asked to find the area of the major segment also. So if you want to calculate the major segment, this is the second part. Now circle area to be calculated. What is circle area? Circle area will be is equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14 into r is 10 into 10, which will be equal to 314 square centimeter is circle area. Now the major segment area will be is equal to, as we discussed previously, circle area minus segment area. What is circle area? 314. Pi value 3.14, r is 10, 10 into 10, which it is, minus 28.5. Let us subtract here. So here 314.0 and 28.5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 3 is left. 13 minus 8 is again 5. And here it is already borrowed. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. So 30 minus 2, so 28. So 285.5, which it is 285.5 square centimeters. This is the major segment area. Okay. So regarding calculation wise, when compared with the previous problems, that means whatever the examples we have discussed, when compared with this, is very simple idea only. So once again quickly just I will give the idea. So this is the area to be calculated, and this is, so first sector area 90 degrees, it is very clearly given, 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, which it is equals to 78.5. Now triangle area, half into A into B, since these two are right angle containing sides. So half into 10 into 10, which is equal to 50. Now the minor segment area is equal to total sector area minus triangle area. 78.5 minus 50, which it is 28.5. Now circle area we have calculated pi r square, which is 314. Now major segment area is circle area minus minor segment area. So 314 minus 28.5. So upon subtracting, which will be 285.5 square centimeters. Okay children, so this is all about the first question, and we have already 6:30, around 6:30. So with this today's session I am going to close, and all the problems are based on segment area only, this complete, and one or two, first 2-3 problems are only some extent different, and later on the remaining questions are very simple. Actually you can able to do very easily, and we will complete the remaining problems on Monday. Again we will meet at 5:30 p.m. in the live. Thank you. Bye.